What's up guys, it's Alexia and welcome back to my channel. I have these glasses on so you know what that means. It's about to be an intellectual fitness video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to study last minute for your AP exams. Alright, first things first, let's have a reality check. Your AP exams are next week. And if you think that you don't have to study because these exams are open book, you are wrong. Time is definitely money on these exams, and the more you know, the more likely you are to do well. The first thing that you guys should be doing is finding out your exam format and practicing and learning how to do it. So for example, right now I'm in AP US History and my exam is going to be a DBQ. Therefore, I've been using Heimler's history videos to learn how to properly write a DBQ and how to source all the documents. For AP Bio, because it's FRQs, I've been practicing with question number 1 and question number 4 from all the previous AP Bio exams. For AP Comp, it's going to be a rhetorical analysis essay, so I've been looking back at my rhetorical strategies and making sure that I have those strong in my memory. If you guys are watching this video and you guys are in other APs that I didn't talk about and you know how to study for those exams, make sure to leave those tips in the comments down below to help out the other students. Once you know your exam format, the next thing you want to start doing is rapid content review. So because this year the exams are open book, you don't necessarily need to memorize everything, but I think it's really important that you guys have a broad sense of what's going on. So one thing I always love to do is take one of my review books, so I use the Barron's book for example, and I literally read it from start to finish, and I make sure to annotate it as I'm reading to make sure that I'm comprehending what's going on. Some other great strategies are to watch the College Board review videos that they've released this year on YouTube, as well as watching crash course videos. Those are all really helpful. The third thing you want to do, which I think will be really helpful, is to organize and print out your notes that you need. So definitely make sure to print out any reference tables that you need to take your test and organize your notes by unit or by time period so that you can access them easily when you're taking the exam. I also suggest making a separate key list of important terms or important concepts to keep on the side so that you have really easy access to it. The last tip is really self-explanatory, and it's just get a good night's sleep before the day of your exam. So because we're doing online school, you guys do have the leisure of sleeping in the morning of your exam. Still, I suggest that you go to sleep at a reasonable time instead of staying up late on TikTok or playing video games. Those are things that you could do on other days. So I think it's really important for you guys to get a good night's sleep. Alright guys, that sums it up for this video. So all the people and the websites that I talked about in this video will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. And I wanted to keep this video nice and short because instead of watching this, you guys should actually be studying for your AP exams right now, so definitely go get to that. And best of luck on all your exams. You guys are going to do amazing. Make sure that you're nice and confident in your capabilities. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!